Before you commence the assembly process, we strongly recommend reading PDF instructions thoroughly to familiarize yourself with the assembly process and to check that you have the correct components. We highly recommend that any assembly be carried out on a flat, level surface and use another person to assist you if necessary. Take one of the wooden slats with pencil lines and pre-drilled pilot holes. Then take 6 structure planks and align them with the pencil lines. Screw them all together using the provided wood screws. Important. After all the slats have been secured, measure both diagonals. Make sure that they are equal, using as many assistants as necessary. Add your pergola post on each corner as shown. Secure the post in place with 2 wood screws through the base frame, using as many assistants as necessary. Lift one of the main beams as shown. Please note that the main beam has additional batten attached, which should be on the bottom of the main beam. Also, your pre-drilled pilot holes should be on the outer side. Now attach the outer rafters to the posts, ensuring each one is flush with the main beam and pilot holes facing outwards. Drop the remaining rafters into place on the main beam. Use provided spacer to evenly space them out. Secure rafters with coach screws. Take one of the shorter braces and align it to the underside of the batten on the main beam and the lower end to the corner post, and secure the brace with wood screws. To affix the longer braces, align the top end flush with the top of the outer rafter. The other end of the brace should sit flush with the post. Use wood screws to secure both ends. Place one of the narrower planks at the end of the decking frame, so it runs post to post. Ensure the edge is flush with the outer edge of the structure before securing each end in place with deck screws. Lay one of the deck slats across the base, perpendicular to the joists. Ensure this slat is sitting on the base framework correctly, and use this as a guide to ensure the center of the upstanding piece is flush with the deck. If necessary, push-pull up or down the upstand deck board before fixing it with deck screws. Place the spacer blocks between the decking boards and start adding decking boards one by one and securing them with the provided wood screws. Finish decking with the narrower decking plank.